Collins!
I'm downstairs.
Hey!
Roger picked up the phone.
No, it's me.
Throw down the key.
A wild night is now preordained.
I may be detained.
What does he mean? What do you mean detained?
Ho ho ho!
I need no
Use them on the way.
great crap.
I need no rent.
What rent?
This pastor's rent, which I let slide.
Let's slide. You said we were golden.
But you bought the building.
When we were roommates.
Remember?
You lived here.
How could I forget? You, me, Collins, and Maureen. How is the drama queen?
She's performing tonight.
I know. Still a production manager.
2 days ago, I was bald.
You still dating her?
Last month I was adult.
She's in love. She's got a new man.
Well, no.
What's his name?
Joanne.
Brent, my new ghost is you, or I'll have to evict you. Be there in a few.